Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, in maths, we are solving the problems of block 15, which is 2D shapes, isn't it, children? So, in this, we have learned what are the different 2D shapes, isn't it, children? The circle, quadrilaterals, yes, triangle, pentagon, hexagon. Yes, all we have learned, isn't it, children, in the first topic. So, in the second topic, we are going to learn how to draw the 2D shapes. Drawing 2D shapes. Okay, so here, children, you have to use your scale to draw the 2D shapes. Okay, except circle. For circle, you need a compass or a bangle or a coin. Okay, but here we are drawing the triangle and quadrilaterals. Then we have to use a scale, a ruler, a scale to draw the 2D shapes. Okay, so in this we have draw a triangle with all sides equal. Okay, all sides should be equal. So for that, first you will take a ruler and place it like this, and here I am drawing a triangle with equal sides, they said. So I am taking 4 centimeters on all three sides. So I'll draw a line which is 4 centimeters, that is from 0 to 4. Okay, then I'll remove the scale. Now I'll place it the other side from 0, so that the start point of the previous line coincides with the 0, and I'll draw the line till 4. Okay, now I have drawn two sides which is 4 centimeters, isn't it, children? Now again I'll place the scale, the ruler, in such a way that 0 is at one side of end side of the previous line, and 4 is coinciding with the sleeping line, and then I'll draw a line like this. Now I have drawn a triangle with all sides 4 centimeters. So in the same way you need to draw the triangle. It is not compulsory that you have to take only 4 centimeters. You can go with 5, 6, 3, 2. It's your wish, but it should form a triangle, and the length should be same, all three sides. If it is 3, if you are taking 3 centimeters, all three sides should be 3 centimeters. If you are taking 5 centimeters, all three sides should be 5 centimeters. Okay, and you have to mention like this. Here I have taken 4 centimeters, so I am writing 4 centimeters on all sides. Okay, if you take 5 centimeters, you need to write all sides 5 centimeters. 6, 6, 7, 7. Like this you will need to draw. Okay, and it implies to other quadrilaterals or the other pentagon or hexagon, any shape. Use your scale, draw the required amount of length, and then you will be completing the whole shape, whole 2D shape. Okay, so here they have asked only about the triangle, so we have drawn only triangle. Okay, next, draw an irregular shape on a dotted grid. Children, irregular shape means it does not have any shape. It might be of any kind, any shape. No specific number of sides. No, see, regular shape is nothing but the shapes which we have learned already. That is the circle, triangle, quadrilaterals which has 4 sides. Yes, or hexagon or heptagon, pentagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon. Okay, so all these had a perfect shapes which we have seen already, isn't it? Other than that, if you make any shape, that becomes an irregular shape. And on what we have to draw? On a dot grid. So dot grid is nothing but a in a place, in a plain paper, if you place the dots at equal distance like this, can you see the distance from one dot to other dot to in any direction, it is equal, isn't it, children? So on this grid, dot grid, we need to draw irregular shape. You can draw any irregular shape. So here I am drawing like this. See here, do we have any shape here? Is it forming any regular shape which we have learned? No, right? It is an irregular shape. You can draw any irregular shape which you want. It should not be any of these quadrilateral or pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon, circle. This should not be there. But other than that, any irregular shape you can draw. Okay, children. So write these two sums in your classwork, children. And coming to your homework, complete the volume book 2, page number 36, S2, drawing 2D shapes. Okay. So in the next class, we will learn the next topic, children. See you in the next class. Bye.